Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Chrome browser keeps popping automatically. So let's get started. So if your Chrome browser keeps popping some random websites automatically and you want to disable that or to turn it off, what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, open up your Chrome browser. After opening up your Chrome browser from here, just tap on the three-dotted icon which is on the top right. After tapping on that, just simply tap on settings. And from here, you just have to scroll down and then tap on site settings option. Just simply tap on site settings and now you will find this following options. From here, you should search for pop-ups and redirect. So now if your pop-ups and redirect are turned on, then what you have to do is just simply turn it off. And after turning off your pop-ups and redirect, now Chrome will not automatically pop up some random websites that you don't want. So just simply make sure that you have turned this option on, and you just have to make sure that third-party cookies are also blocked, and also check your intrusive ads. So if your intrusive ads are turned on, then make sure that it's turned on. So just simply check these three options, which is third-party cookies, pop-ups and redirects, and intrusive ads. Make sure these three options are turned off, and this will fix the problem. So that's it guys. This is how to fix Chrome browser keeps popping automatically. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks.